Hey there guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm just going to do a quick unboxing and look at this charger that I got. Now I bought an iPhone 11 and unfortunately the iPhone 11, the base model does not come with a 18-watt charger. The iPhone 11 Pro and Pro Max come with an 18-watt charger. So say you want to get one. Amazon has this by Quntis, I believe is how you say it, and it is a fast charger. It is very similar. It has an 18-watt brick, has a lightning to USB-C adapter, and it should work just as the Apple version does. So I bought this for about $26.99 or $27 plus tax off of Amazon. And let's go ahead and take a look here. Alright, so first I will show you actually the front here. So you got the front, you got the PD fast charger and cable. On the side, it does say it's made for iPhone, iPad, and iPod, so that's good, so we know it's going to work well. You do have some specifications on the material, the color, voltages, input, and all that good stuff. And then on the back here, it does tell you which iPhones it runs with, but it should run with each iPhone. Just specific phones and iPads will accept more of a charge than others. So older ones may not accept the full 18 watts. Alright, so the first thing we get here is our cord, and this is a 6-foot cord. So it does come in this wrapping here, and it feels pretty nice. So it's just a normal traditional cord. It's a little thicker than Apple's cord that they give. And then on their lightning adapter you can see it does say their name, Quntis. And then on the other side you do have a USB-C. So this is also nice if you have a MacBook Pro or a computer that does offer USB-C, because you'll have better transfer speeds between your iPhone and your computer. So this has just a little not a zip tie, but a Velcro tie around that. And then the other thing in the box here is our 18-watt power brick. Alright, so you do see it says PD here. And then you've got their branding, Quntis, nothing on that side, nothing on that side. And then on the back here, you do have the information about the specific model, as well as all the FCC and all that, all those labels there. So Type-C PD wall charger, model TC-06PD. You got your input, your output, and all that good stuff. So it will do 5 watts, it'll do 9, it'll do 12. Yeah, so it does quite a bit there, 18-watt max. So there you go. Alright, and then what else do we have in here? Happy. Share your happiness with others on Amazon. Share your happiness with other customers. Share your happiness with other customers on Amazon. If you're not happy, feel free to contact us via Amazon or service at Quntis. So, and there you go. So we got search for Quntis, and then you got all their contact information as well as their social media, which is nice. So if you have a problem, there you go. And as I said, this is a 6-foot cord. And I wanted a long cord because I need it. So it is really nice and long here. And we just plug in the USB-C part into the charging brick here. And it is just like a regular cord, but it should charge a lot faster. So that would be nice. So we'll just plug this bad boy in. And it should just pop up and let us know. Alright, so it is charging now. Alright, so it should be fast charging. There's really no way to tell if it's actually charging faster than normal. A friend on Twitter said that if it is fast charging, it'll come up with the charging emblem twice, but I have not seen that. So hopefully you just know that it's charging faster than it should. Anyway, so this has been just a quick unboxing and look at this 18-watt charger. This is great if you have an iPhone 11 or even an iPhone 10, 10s, 10s Max. If it didn't come with an 18-watt charger and you just got the 5-watt brick and you want to charge it faster, get one of these bad boys. 27 bucks on Amazon. Good deal. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.